In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what I believe to be the #1 reason that most new PDR techs fail. So if you're just starting off in the industry and you want to become a PDR technician, stay tuned. Now, it's sad but true that we do have a high failure rate in the PDR industry in terms of new students becoming successful paid PDR technicians. So I've spoken to a few different PDR techs, some students, as well as doing my own research, and I've come up with what I believe to be the most common cause for the high failure rate in the PDR industry. So as most people discover the PDR industry, they quickly learn that it can be a long, drawn-out process from start to finish, learning how to remove dents to a high standard. Now, if you intend to run a business removing dents, of course, 100% you need to know how to remove a dent. But I find that there is so much focus and emphasis on the physical side of the training on how to remove a dent that most people overlook the big part of running a successful business, which is the business itself. So I quite often see online, particularly in some of the popular Facebook groups, technicians that are selling all of their tools. Now, when you look into this, usually they're a 1 or 2 year tech. They've invested a lot of money into some high quality tools. They've picked the time in to learn the basics of how to remove a dent. But as they're starting to run it as their own PDR business, they're realizing they can't make ends meet. It's not adding up financially. So sadly, we see a lot of these new technicians giving up PDR altogether, selling their tools and going back to what they did originally. It's a safe bet, it's a safety net rather than going into the unknown. Now, I believe that if they understood more about business and how to create leads and how to run a successful business, they would not be given up. They've already invested money in the tools. They've already invested the time in learning how to remove dents. So many people don't take the time to invest in themselves and learn how to start, create, launch, and run a successful business. Now, if you've been looking into PDR, you'll see it's a fascinating industry. There's so much opportunity, there's so many unknowns, it's developing all of the time, and there's huge potential to grow and scale your business. But it really does involve in you investing in yourself and learning how to run a business itself. So one of the things that I try and focus on within the Learn PDR Online Training Hub is that pathway from taking a complete newbie right through to being a paid technician. Now, I could refer to this as the PDR Path. We start with the very basics of how to remove a dent, and we go through step by step to medium and more complex repairs. But the whole time we're starting that thought process of what our business is going to look like, how it's going to work for us, and how we can build it around our existing lifestyle. We start by going through website design, social media platforms, lead generation, and converting those into sales. Now, that is a huge part of being successful. It's all about how to generate enough work to run a successful PDR business. Now, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about what I'm talking about today, you can reach out to me directly. Just visit learnpdronline.com. As always, you can leave your comments and questions below this video here on YouTube. And if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us the thumbs up and like the video. And of course, you can subscribe to the channel. This keeps you up to date with every video release we do, and it really helps my channel grow. So that's it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.